That is Swan and Edgar, I hope. Oh, thanks very much. Yep, it's the world timer. It comes beautifully packaged. That's quite nice, isn't it? So you've got to remember there's protection all around this watch. It has that world timer function, so you can work out what time it is in different parts of the world. There's London there, so, and all the other times are now perfectly aligned. Isn't that really clever? So Swan and Edgar have not only used the Mecha Quartz movement from Seiko, but they also have upgraded the glass to sapphire. They've got an IP rose gold on this watch as well. It would be nice to actually take this off, actually see the watch in its full glory. You've got the moon landing on the back as well. Well, let's just see how deep it is. 14.4 millimeters, 48.6. So it's a nice size. I think it weighs about 170 grams. The thing about Mecha Quartz is that you have the mechanical element to the watch, but you have quartz accuracy. So stopping the second hand there, and then and don't do this on any other watch, and hear that click. It's gone back to 12. Join me on Ideal World.